Hi my friends, how you all doing? So today I made this very yummy garden egg sauce, or you can call it garden egg stew. The key ingredient is the garden egg. So these are all the ingredients. The garden egg, I'm using frozen garden egg. I'm using washed catfish, is dried, pepper, onion, paprika and tomato, palm oil, some chili flakes, some stock cube, crayfish, salt and more onion. I'll also be using some grilled mackerel. Guys, the key ingredient for this recipe is the garden egg. So what I'm going to do right now is to give it a quick rinse and take off the board at the top of it, and then I'll transfer it into boiling hot water and allow it to come to a boil. Friends, if you don't have garden egg readily available, eggplant is also a very good substitute for garden egg. So you can use eggplant for this recipe and it will still come out tasting very delicious. There are two kinds of garden egg. This one is more bitter and I prefer it. There is the white kind. That one is less bitter than this one. So while the garden egg is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep the other vegetables, the pepper, the paprika, the onion. I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this, while for the tomato I'll be chopping it up into very tiny bits. So for the vegetables, I'm using a vegetable grinder to crush it. I don't want it to be so smooth, so that's how I want it. And right now this garden egg has already come to a boil. I'll take it out and proceed to also crush it up in the vegetable cutter. Feel free to use a grinder and a pestle if that's what you have available, or feel free to just chop it up into tiny pieces. Either ways, it always comes out very nice. But for this recipe, I went ahead and I crushed mine with a vegetable cutter. So this is how I want it, roughly and coarsely crushed. So right now I've chopped up the tomato and sliced the onions into this size. I will now proceed to cooking. In the cooking pot, you want to transfer your palm oil. We're going to just get this to be hot. We don't want to bleach the oil. Right now we'll transfer in the onion and give it some time to cook, just to release its flavor into the oil. And I'll be seasoning this with some salt to start. Allow it some time to cook before I go ahead and transfer in the chopped tomato and crushed pepper mix. After transferring in the tomato and chopped pepper mix, I will allow it some time to cook to take out some any sour taste or dry up some water and release its flavor into the oil. And after that, allowing it to cook for a little bit, I will now go ahead to season it with the stock cube, chili flakes, crayfish. Guys, for this recipe, crayfish is very important. So I will season it up with all of this and add the washed dried catfish and the mackerel fish. After adding all of this, I'll cover it and give it some more time to cook so that everything marries well. And guys, don't forget that you want to cook this on low heat at this point so that it doesn't get burnt. So at this point now, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm now adding in the blended or crushed garden egg. I will stir it up properly and give it more time to cook before I go ahead and serve it with some cooked plantain and Irish potato. That's what I had available You can serve it with yam if you want. Lastly, yes, some more onion because I like a lot of onion in my recipe. Adjust it for taste with one more stop cube and more chili flakes because we like our food hot. So that's it for this recipe. Stir, give it some more time to cook and serve it with whatever you have, plantain, yam. Enjoy it with your family. It's very healthy, it's always yummy, and it's always a hit. If you've watched until this moment, thank you for always watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Please leave a comment to encourage me so I bring more recipes for you. Bye for now.